Welcome to the video tour of 2542 East Bennett. As we enter the house, you'll see the coat closet. On the left is the kitchen and dining area. We'll go to the right to the formal living room with a corner fireplace with blowers. Also a nice big picture window. Hallway that leads to the bedrooms. We'll make a right turn here, or a left turn here, to the dining room. Door that goes out to the covered deck. The kitchen, there's the pantry area. Now to the laundry room. Some little extra storage space. Then into the fourth bedroom, which was the garage before it was converted. Small closet. And a door that leads out to the carport. Back to the dining room. Nice covered patio, or covered deck. Furnace is in here. Go back down the hall. To the left is the hall bath. Tub and shower combination unit. Glass doors. Updated lighting. And notice there's storage at the end of the hall and an attic fan. Bedroom. Hardwood floors. Closet behind the door there. Going into the next bedroom, again hardwood floors. Some of the windows had been updated. These are thermal pane windows in this room. I go into the master bedroom. And into the master bath. Back down the hall to the living room, and this concludes our tour.